Hey everybody, I'm here with this big piece of orange fun. I mean, it's like taffy. I mean, look at this. You would have to feel it. Squish it, hit it. It hardens up on impact. This is D3O Armor. This is level 2 for the KLIM jacket, for their Dakar jacket and Traverse jacket. Again, level 2 from D3O. My buddies over at D3O hooked me up with this, and we're going to take a look at it, see if it fits. Upon impact, this hardens up really hard. So you can put this on top of something, especially how thick this is, and it's bendable. It will harden up and it will protect whatever that is, including your spine. However, if it's cold outside, the one negative is this turns into a brick. It's not flexible. It's a brick. Unfortunately, that's the nature of it. So if it's hot outside, it's fine. If you're going to be riding and it's going to be really cold temperatures, this is going to be like a flat board on your back. Let's take a look at it in like the KLIM Traverse jacket. Here's my KLIM Traverse jacket. I don't think they've changed it too much. Open up the jacket. I'm gonna hope it fits. Yeah. Oh no. I hope. That way. That way. We're gonna see. We got the pocket. I'm gonna say that goes down there. I'm not really sure. Okay. And I would assume the open side to me. I don't really know. To keep, I guess I would also let air flow in. Kind of squish it together, slide it into the pocket. It's just a mesh pocket and it fills that out really good. So yes, level 2 fits in the KLIM Traverse jacket, but I got a treat for you. I got also a KLIM Dakar jacket. It looks like it has the same size mesh pocket here. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to fit into there. I guess I'll put this on and see how it feels. There we go. Let's put this on. I don't usually always ride with that buttoned up. You can see it in my jacket, in my back, put my arms together. I don't know. I mean, I can tell it's back there. It's probably something you get used to being back there. If I had a camelback on it, that would kind of give me some padding for my back. I guess I'll be trying it out in New Mexico, so we'll see. Haven't decided on what jacket I'll take. If I take this one, which I like, Traverse, I have a pocket here, I have a couple pockets here. You got a drawstring on the side, make it tighter. So it also has this hook here, because you can put a tag on it, or ID, or key. I don't know what you would really use that for. You also have armpit vents that go all the way on both sides, just opens up. You got adjustable cuffs. That's pretty much it. You have a inside pocket here that has, it's just mesh, but you can put your MP3 player, phone, whatever. It has an earbud hole slot, so they did think of that. And that's basically it. I mean, it's pretty bare bones coat. Now let's take a look at the Dakar coat with the D3O Armor in it. Dakar jacket, again, spread it out. Its slot is a little bit further down, not right at the top. So you just want to bend this stuff. Like I said, it feels like taffy. Put it in there like that, stretch that over there. It will spread out. Yep, fits. There we go. Take the Velcro. Seems like a really snug fit into the Dakar jacket. I'll put this one on and let's take a look at the jacket. So as far as the armor goes, again, same as the Traverse. I know it's back there because it's different to me than what I normally wear for the jackets. But I'll turn around. I'll turn around here, and as you can maybe see or not, that's my back. I don't know if you can see it through or anything, but yeah, I mean, I can tell it's there. It's probably just something you get used to that it's back there. With a KLIM net pack or fuel pack or one of their backpack type bags, hydration bags on my back, I mean, it's going to add padding between it and my spine, and I probably just wouldn't really notice. Again, I have no idea until I use the D3O Armor down in my New Mexico trip coming up. Well, let's take a look at the jacket now because you might be interested. Dakar jacket. The sleeves will completely come off and this will become a vest. You get a pocket up here, which is nice and big. Again, you get adjustable cuffs, a pocket on the right side, which is again really big. You get pockets here that are nice and deep, and that's why I like this jacket, because when I'm carrying my camera stuff, my extended battery, the audio recording device, my Tascam, then I put one on one side, one on the other. As you can see, cord here for the extended battery, and then I have two pockets up here in the breast, and this one has a little key, I guess, hook. And then this side, go left and right. You have points here that you could attach something if you needed to. You have a drawstring on the side, and we'll take a look at the back separate off me. You also got a part here that you can attach stuff to if you needed to. Now, one thing you don't have that I should point out, this is why I think the Traverse jacket is better for rain environments, is because it has a flap over the zipper. This one does not. So although you'll be pretty well protected, eventually if it's a downpour, you're going to start soaking into here a lot sooner than you would on the Traverse. It's also a two-way zipper, so I guess you could add some breathability there. On the inside, we have a pocket over here with earbud holes and nothing over there. So I'll take it off, and on the back you have a vent here. You obviously can zip off the arms or just open them part way for some airflow there. So you've got one on either side of the back vents. And then you have this big pocket, big huge pocket that you can close, open. It's huge. So you could store stuff in here. You know, you could put your tubes, or better yet, you could put rain gear in there, you know, roll it up, put it in there, and you have rain gear. So, I mean, I guess that's nice. That's plenty of storage if you're going on a long, really long trip. Also, what's nice is You have this adjustability on, what would that be? Across your belly, you could adjust, make that tighter. And of course you have that on both sides. So that just makes it tighter too. You keep it like nice and tight. And that's what the D3O Armor looks like in the Dakar jacket versus the Traverse jacket. Well, I hope that video really helped you all out so you could check out what the Dakar jacket and the Traverse jacket offers you. Basically same protection. You can have that armor in either. And the level 2 fits in either jacket. I'll have a link to KLIM site with that D3O Armor, so you can order that up. I think it's like $40, $50. Or you can get level 1. I'm not quite sure if they still offer that, but I'll put links in the description and you can check it out on their website directly and see. I will also have links to both jackets. Hopefully this just helps you out so you kind of get an idea what features these jackets have. I mean, I've been wearing them for a long time now. I've had the Traverse for 5 years or so, so they might have made tweaks since I've gotten mine. And I've probably had the Dakar jacket a couple years. So I definitely really like the Traverse jacket. I've worn it a bunch. It works in all weather conditions. Now it's a layering system, meaning, you know, you're supposed to have like long sleeve if it's cold out and maybe something else, maybe put on rain gear even. They're not an all-in-one type system. You're buying a good shell that is, you know, water basically proof on the Traverse pretty much as a jacket can be. I mean, you have cuffs and there's things water's going to get in. If you're in a downpour long enough, you're getting wet to a degree. Hopefully you're in a climate that you can dry quickly. Our jacket is for that hotter environment. You can zip those sleeves off, have a vest if you like riding like that. And it's pretty breathy. I mean, like I said, I unzip the front of my jackets a lot, and that tends to work for me. Might not work for you. And again, even the Dakar jacket is more of a shell system where you're gonna do different layers underneath it to stay warm, to stay dry. I mean, if you want to be completely dry type thing, especially with the Dakar because it has that open zipper face versus the Traverse, you at least have the flap, so you're a little bit more sealed up. And that's the two jackets I have. Hopefully you found this video helpful and interesting. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos. Please hit the notification bell and also check out the Amazon affiliate links. I'll put some there, but mainly I don't get paid if you go to KLIM, but I want to have links going to KLIM because that's going to help you out doing your research. And I know people are lazy, they don't want to type in. So I'll have links in the description that you'll need so you can do your shopping and buy your next jacket and at least be a little bit informed of what works, doesn't work, and what might be best for you. So have a good one. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one. Bye.